History's Hiccups. Part 26. Discover the intriguing tale of a lost Roman legion in China. After the devastating Battle of Carrhae in 53 BC, captured Roman soldiers reportedly became Parthian mercenaries. Their journey didn't end there. They eventually found themselves in Central Asia, and following a battle in 36 BC were captured by the Chinese. Described in the Book of Han as soldiers with Roman-like tactics, they settled in a Chinese border town, leaving a legacy of Roman-style fortifications and potentially influencing local military practices. Modern archaeological discoveries and DNA analysis of a remote Chinese village suggest traces of Roman influence, hinting at this extraordinary intermingling of ancient Roman and Chinese histories.